The sun, the glowing sphere that gives us light, warmth, and life itself. But what if one day it just exploded? No warning, no time to prepare. Just a sudden cosmic detonation that wipes out everything we know. Could that actually happen? What would it look like? Would we die instantly, or even see it coming? And what do black holes, the most terrifying objects in the universe, have to do with any of this? Today, we're diving deep into solar death, cosmic horror, and the real physics of what happens if the sun goes out with a bang. It's scarier than science fiction, because it's all real. Could the sun explode? First things first, the good news: the sun isn't going to explode anytime soon. It's a main sequence star, and it still has about 5 billion years of fuel left. But when it runs out of hydrogen in its core, things get weird. The sun will swell into a red giant engulfing Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. Then it won't explode in a supernova like a massive star would. Instead, it'll shed its outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf, a super-hot stellar corpse about the size of Earth, but with the mass of the sun. No explosion, no fireworks. But it will boil Earth's oceans, burn our skies, and obliterate all life in the process. What if it did explode? Now let's say, just for fun, that the sun did explode like a supernova. What would happen? First, you wouldn't see it immediately. Since the sun is 93 million miles away, light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. So for 8 minutes, life would go on like normal. Then suddenly, boom, the sky goes black. The solar system is flooded with gamma rays. Earth's atmosphere ignites, temperatures plummet, and everything that needs the sun, plants, oceans, oxygen cycles, collapses. Mass extinction? That's optimistic. Humanity would be gone in days. Where do black holes come in? The sun's not big enough to become a black hole, not even close. But for massive stars, those 10+ times the size of our sun, a supernova can collapse the core into a black hole. Imagine a dense core that shrinks to a single point, warping time, swallowing light, and bending reality. Black holes are the aftermath of real stellar death. They're not just space garbage disposals. They're anchors of galaxies, cosmic clocks, and possibly gateways to other dimensions. And there's one terrifying thought. What if a rogue black hole entered our solar system? It wouldn't be visible, but its gravity would be felt. Planets pulled off course, the sun distorted, and if it got too close, we'd be torn apart atom by atom before we even knew what hit us. Could this happen soon? Luckily, the sun is stable for now. There are no known rogue black holes nearby, but stars do die, and space is chaotic. Supernovas happen about once every 50 years in our galaxy. Black holes drift, solar flares spike, and one day, yes, billions of years from now, the sun will destroy everything it once sustained. You don't need sci-fi. The universe is already terrifying enough. The sun is our lifeline. But one day it will turn against us, whether through heat, collapse, or slow decay. Until then, we float in peace, in the blast radius of a star. Subscribe for more cosmic questions, terrifying science, and true stories from the edge of the universe.